How to sign in into your UnitedHealthcare Medicare account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for UnitedHealthcare Medicare login. Well, tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to this one. You will be landing on the official page of UnitedHealthcare. Over here, you'll be able to see two different options. One is register and the other is sign in. If you don't have your account yet, then tap on register and then you'll be able to create your account. But if you already have your account, then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it will land you on the page where you'll be able to log into your account. What you want to do is simply enter the email address of your account and then enter the password that you have created before. Once you have entered all the login credentials, tap on login. After that, you will be logged into a specific account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into a UnitedHealthcare Medicare account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.